How to clear data on Zangi app? Are you guys facing issue to clear data on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now scroll down. You can see the option for data storage right here. Click on it. Now tap on the storage uses. You can see the option for clear data. You are looking to clear your data, right? Tap on it. Now select the files that you want to delete. Once you select the files, click on clear data. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna clear data on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.